So welcome back to another video, and today is the beginning of a brand new trading month. It's the 3rd of Feb, Tuesday, and yesterday, Monday, I did not take any trades. Today, yes, I am on a massive trade, and if you are trading the Nasdaq or the S&P 500, you probably know by now that Tuesday the 3rd, massive crash, timing was correct, and it was a good entry. But let me show you guys the trade that I'm in now currently. I'm not gonna go through my thought process for entering this trade, but anyways, I'm in the trade. I'm on break even actually, and so I've taken partials already, and pretty large take profit. For my final take profit, I took profit here, TP1, and then my second TP will be all the way down here. I will keep an eye and see if it actually goes and hit there, and then we just go and hit the gym, and yeah, show you guys how my week was like. By the time I'm shooting this video, I've only got 68 followers, and I just want to say thank you to this 68 followers who have helped me to keep going. You know, when you don't see results, but you still find the energy to keep going, you need to think about things like this. You know, there are 68 people that are still following me through the ups and downs through this content. So I just want to say that I appreciate you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, and hopefully one day I should be able to pay you guys back. Anyways, so that was me who just attempted a new PR for shoulder press, which was 26 kg, and it was a miserable fail, but regardless of that, we will try it again next week. Welcome back. So yes guys, so the trade on Tuesday actually ended up with a 1 to 2 It did not hit the final take profit, but still I cut off the trade right when it did hit a 1 to 2. So yeah, I'm up for the week, and I didn't trade yesterday, even though price action was really good, and today I'm not in a trade even though price action is really good, and I can show you my thought process behind it. So we opened up, so this was 8:30 news, and hourly sell side liquidity down here, and right market open at 9:30. Right when market opened up, sell side liquidity swept, and then a move to the upside, which was a really good move. Look, imbalance filled, another imbalance filled, and then price went up to sell side liquidity. But the reason I did not take this trade is because this is not the overall market bias, and we are in a bearish market, and for me, as a trader who's currently still in the process of going towards profitability, you know, I'm going to follow, I'm going to enter a trade only if it follows specific concepts and confluences. So we are overall, so if we go back to the hourly, we are overall in a bearish market, and it's easy to spot bearish. It's making lower lows, and we are bearish. So I was not going to enter. First of all, I don't like to enter the second market opens, and I want to enter only if it follows, if price action gives me a setup for the overall bias. So overall bias is sells is bearish, and I'm going to only enter sell orders. But look, I'm not going to say that price action was bad. If you wanted to catch this trade, then it's good for you, but I don't like to enter upon, as I just mentioned now. Anyways, market opened up, sell side liquidity swept, and then moved towards the upside, which was this buy side liquidity, and we literally just stepped into this hourly imbalance, 5-minute imbalance, which is inside in hourly imbalance as well. And then from there the real move happened, you know. But I did not enter again because as a new trader, I want all the confluences to follow, and the only thing that was missing here, the timing was perfect, the liquidity sweep was perfect, but the only thing that did not happen is the draw back into an imbalance or an order block or whatever, you know. We've made 5-minute value gap, 5-minute value gap, but price never came back into it to go towards kind of like more draws of liquidity to the downside. So I did not take a trade, but you never know, if it does eventually come up here and then decide to reverse following further confluences, then I will enter. But it is now 3:30 p.m. UK time, so volume obviously is getting lower, volatility is getting lower, so I will wait and see. But again, I'm not saying that price action was bad. Price action was actually good Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but you know, I want certain things to happen for me to enter, and today unfortunately it was great, but that one thing didn't happen, so I decided to not enter.